Right, here at Tech Travel Geeks, we usually cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, anything we think makes the travel experience better. But we also cover the tools we use to make our videos and to make our travel content. For a while now, we've been using wireless microphones. We've moved away from the wired ones. There's a lot of convenience to that. And after a few of our recent videos, SONICAKE reached out to us and asked us to review their SONICAKE wireless microphone. So thanks to SONICAKE for sending us this review sample. Let's see how it performs. The packaging is pretty simple. It's a cardboard box with SONICAKE logos and branding on it. It highlights the fact that it runs on 2.4 gigahertz, which is similar to Wi-Fi. That's how it communicates between the transmitter and the microphone. And on the back, it has a quick depiction of what the product looks like. So I'm going to open the box and see what's inside. So, cardboard box contains a little travel case, which is really handy for travel. And this, in turn, unzips and shows you the wireless microphone and transmitter. On the inside, we also have a quick instruction leaflet. It gives you all the details about the microphone itself. There's a little QA or QC tag on there as well. In terms of cabling, in this case we have a USB Type A to double USB Type C. Yes, so that's because you'll need to charge from one USB port the microphone transmitter and the receiver. So the microphone itself and what you plug into your camera. So that's what that's for. Next up, we have a little dead cat or dead kitten. This is to cover the microphone, avoid you having some annoying wind noise in the microphone itself. And then we have, in this case, a couple of cables to connect your SONICAKE transmitter or receiver to your camera or to your smartphone. These are the two types of cables that you require. One is a single pole connector, the other is a dipole connector. It's a complicated thing. If you want to know more, let us know in the comment section below. We might even do a dedicated video explaining these types of audio connections. So that's what's in the box. What I'm going to do now is see if there's a charge in the microphone and receiver and see if we can give you a sample video of what this sounds like. So bear with us, we'll be back in a moment. Okay then, so here we are. This is the SONICAKE wireless microphone in use in this video. It clips to my shirt just the same way as other wireless microphones from other brands do. And I have to say, it is quite a pleasant way of being shown how the microphone transmitter and the receiver are linked with the coloured LEDs at the top. It is quite a difference from other brands that we've covered here on Tech Travel Geeks. But apart from that, we'll let you make your own decision on what you think these microphones sound like in the recording we've just done. Obviously, we have our Chief Aperture Officer plugging the SONICAKE microphone into his Sony A7S III camera. Is that the right one? Yep. That through the cable that was included in the box. And in terms of battery, it does have a charge as it comes out of the box, but you can top that up with the included cable we saw during the unboxing. So from what I can see from here, this is a decent microphone, especially if you're a creator who wants to have a decent wireless microphone setup. We'll link in the description to where you can purchase this on Amazon. If you do purchase from there, you'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And as usual, if you'd like to see more of our content where we cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, pretty much anything we think makes the travel experience better, but also the creator tools that we use here at Tech Travel Geeks, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. For now, if you have any further questions, please do leave them in the comment section below. But thanks for watching and goodbye from us.